Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through format.com, which is a website builder that is made for creatives, and I will also give you my honest review on it at the end of this video. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you don't have a format account yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to redirect you here on the official website of format.com. You will see the prompt here that says the portfolio builder for illustrators, filmmakers, models, etc. So as I've told you earlier, Format is a portfolio focused website builder. Unlike Wix or Squarespace that try to cover everything, Format is specifically designed for photographers, for designers, artists, and other creatives who want to showcase their work in a professional way. It gives you a clean template, client proofing tools, workflow features, and even selling options. So it is more than just a simple website builder. So here, getting started with it is also very easy. When you come here, instead of the manage site option here in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see the sign in or the sign up option just like so. So here you can sign up with the help of your email account. So you can either continue with your Facebook account and then email account, and you will be able to basically start a 14-day free trial. You can also fill out this form and get started with it. So once you have signed up or once you have logged in, this is going to be your dashboard. Over here in the view site section, you will see this type of checklist guiding you through the setups. So first you need to create your account, which we just did. After that, you need to choose a theme. Then you need to create a gallery by uploading at least 5 images of yours. This progress bar keeps things simple. You know exactly how far along you are in building your portfolio. Over here in the left hand section, you will have the main navigations tab, like this is your dashboard where we are in. Then we have portfolio, workflow, selling, storage, etc. So we will go through each one of these sections one by one. First of all, when you click on the option of portfolio is the section where you actually build and organize your galleries. Over here, you can upload your images, your videos, or your projects, and you can also arrange them into categories. For example, let's say you want to design something. So you can here click on the option of design, then select the theme of your design. After that, you can upload the title and the logo. Then you can add typography, you can select color based on your brand, and you can save it, and after that you can publish it. You can also, as a photographer, could create separate galleries for weddings, for portraits, or for travel photographies. So based on your niche, you can use the portfolio section. Each gallery is completely customizable. You can adjust the layout styles, the captions, and even add SEO titles and descriptions so that your work ranks better in the search engine. So the next tab that we have here in the list is workflow. So when you click on workflow, you will see a bunch of different sub tabs here. So if you click on the option of overview, this is one of Format's standout features as compared to the generic website builders. Workflow tools lets you manage the client's proofing, contracts, and feedback. So here you are going to see the overview of your workflow. Like first of all, you can create a client here. You can give your client a name. After that, you can add the client over here. Then it has also shown you the steps that you need to take, like selecting your contact and transferring the files and uploading the images in your gallery. So if you are a photographer, you can basically upload proofs from the photo shoot, share a private gallery with your clients, and let them select the images they like the best. Then we also have a bunch of other options like client galleries. So you can just click over here and take a look at the images that you have uploaded, and you can manage it from here. This will save you a lot of time. It keeps everything professional and ensures that you don't have to juggle the email chains or any third-party file sharing tools. Then we have the option of selling. So here when you click on the option of selling, you are going to see two further sub options like store and print marketplace. So selling tab actually lets you turn your portfolio into a store. You can basically sell downloads, the physical prints, or even the services. So here you need to give your store a name, then click on the option of enable store. Over here, let's say if you are a designer, you could basically offer the pre-made templates. If you are an artist, you can sell the prints directly through your portfolio. The payments are processed online. That makes it very easy for your clients to buy without leaving your website. So this is the use case of your store. You can click on the add products option. You can give your product a name. After that, you can provide further details about your product and add it over here. So this feature is a huge plus for creatives who want to monetize their work without needing a separate e-commerce website. Then we have the option of storage. So storage is the tab where all of your uploaded files go live. It is like your media library. Here you can manage your galleries, organize the files, and keep track of how much storage space you are using depending on your plan. Now that we are talking about the plan, we can just click on the option of view plan in order to see how much this platform is going to cost you every single month. So here, as you can see, Format provides you three simple plan. Their most basic one plan is going to cost you $8 per month if you build annually. Their pro plan is going to cost you around $10 per month, which is value for money if you subscribe annually. Then we have the pro plus option. So you can select any one of these, and after that you can make the payment and start using their platform more professionally. Now, if I talk about what I really liked about this platform, I would certainly say that it is super easy to use with this step-by-step setup. The portfolio templates look quite clean and professional. It is going to give you built-in workflow tools for your client proofing. The e-commerce option is also included, which also a very good thing. Here are some of the cons though, which I would like to mention, like it has less design flexibility as compared to Wix or Squarespace. The advanced tools like proofing and selling require you to purchase their higher prices. So format.com is perfect if you are a creative professional who want to showcase, manage, and even sell your work in one place. It is not the most flexible window, but it is one of the most focused for portfolios. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.